make it look nice for somebody.
This is a typewriter. Paul Schweitzer fixes them for a living. Can a typewriter repairman survive in the computer age?
I was in the Flatiron building across the street for 47 years, but they needed our space and we had to get out.
Paul's father opened the Gramercy Typewriter Company in 1932. Abraham Schweitzer would make office visits to clean typewriters and replace their ribbons for $1 a typewriter. After the Navy, Paul joined his father fixing typewriters. That was 56 years ago.
And we make the proper adjustments and try to put them back into tip-top condition.
And now Paul's son Jay has joined the family business.
All these tags, all these.
And if you think business is slow, just look at the machines piled up for fixing. How long will Paul and his company be able to continue? I don't know, but I'd like to think wherever there's a broken typewriter, there'll always be a Schweitzer there to fix it.